Hello guys, welcome to AutoCAD for Engineers. We are from Softech Academy. So we are introducing course session on AutoCAD Design Tool. So we are having Autodesk AutoCAD tool for engineers. So in this design course, we will teach you the AutoCAD design skills and methodologies. So you will learn, and after learning, you will also earn with these design skills. So let's begin with our main outcome. So this will be our major outcome. So we will design 3-story building at the end of this design course, and let's see on the overview of our course. In the first, we have introduction session where we will have download and install session. You will download and install 2018 and 2019 version of AutoCAD. And in section 2, we have getting started with Autodesk AutoCAD. So we have user interface, navigation, toolbar, coordinate system, all the overview about graphical user interface. And section 3 is basic drawing with AutoCAD design tool and editing the designs. So you will have lines, polar coordinate systems, arcs, circles, ellipse, rectangle, polygon, and different useful commands in this section. Third, section 4 is mainly focused on editing and modifying drawings. We will edit the drawings and we will select the objects, move the objects, rotate, trim, mirror, and lengthen the object sizes. And section 5 is status bar in AutoCAD. So from that status bar, we can utilize the snapping, polar tracking settings, and drawing with snap and grid, and we can utilize different function keys like F1 to F12, which is also shown in here. So in the section 6, we have drawing tools and their properties. So we will assign object color, weights, and some properties, and we'll modify the properties. Section 7 is drawing with layers. So we will have multiple layers of design, and we'll also import alias files, rectangle, array, polar, etc. Section 8 is annotation. So it is very much important for large scale drawing. So on the annotation, we have plain text and multiple text, hatching, adding dimension, etc. Section 9 is creating and organizing blocks and groups. So we'll insert the blocks, move the blocks, and we'll change the properties and parameters, and we will also modify the visibility settings of those blocks. Section 10 is another important section of this Autodesk AutoCAD, so which is attributes. So we will change the attributes, we will use the fields as the block attribute, and we will see all the features of attribute manager. Section 11 is external references. We will have different features with external references like attaching XREF files, XREF management, and transmission. Section 12 is layout, printing, and scaling. So in this layout, printing, and scaling, we will see how the drawings can be printed out, and what will be the sizes and what will be the format in this section. And we can also publish the drawing, and we can export drawing in different format like PDF and other formats, so which can be printed in later. And section 13 is advanced tools and commands. So we'll utilize different function keys and tools and commands with this Autodesk AutoCAD 2018 and 2019. Section 14 is few drawings examples. In this section 14, we will have real-time building design drawing. So section 15 is AutoCAD in 3D. So 3D modeling will be in section 15. So we will design the previously designed 2D model into 3D model in this section 15. So we will have this type of 3D modeling of 3-story building in this section 15. Section 16 is some tips and notes section, and section 17 is most important. So 17 talks about how to earn with the skills you have learned with this Autodesk AutoCAD design course. So we will introduce about freelancing platforms and the types of freelancing projects, and the key major points to be remembered for applying or planning for freelancing projects. So we have some frequently asked questions, and we have covered how to earn 500 USD per month or plus from the freelancing project. So we will introduce different freelancing platform from Upwork to freelancer, and after completing this course, possibly you will be able to learn the design skill with AutoCAD 2018 and 2019. You will able to earn and provide the design services. So you will be as the freelancer, or you will be as the job applicant. So you can apply for jobs, and you will be able to utilize different tools, methods, attribute, functions, layers, etc. And you will be able to know about the annotation and the hidden features and commands, advanced commands, and 3D modeling. And you'll be able to have different source files after the completion of this course. So that source files will worth you more than 500 USD, $500. And after the completion of course, you will also get a certification, and as the course credit is quite interesting, so your certificate will be validated by different institutions, so you can apply for job. And at the end of the project, at the end of the 3D project of this course, you will be able to design the 3-story building, and you can customize it for other purposes also. So guys, sign up for the AutoCAD for engineers and learn and earn with AutoCAD design skills. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the course. Thank you.